Hello everyone, it's Christina from Bible Journal Crafts and welcome to my channel. It's been a real long time, almost a month since I uploaded my last video, but today I'm back with a new Bible journaling process video and we are in John 1:29 and it is all about the lamb. And it's actually a Bible journaling processing video about Esther. Now, Esther is about the ultimate love, a love that no one can give to you than Christ. Only Christ can give this kind of love. Now, you can see the printable that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use the lamp one, and you can find this as a complete printable into my Etsy store, and I will leave the link in the description down below. Or if you want to download for free only the lamp, you can find it again in the description down below. You can find the link to download it free. Now let's get on to the video. First of all, I am going to apply gesso all over my page. You can see I apply gesso with brushes. I think that it is more convenient for me to do so. And right now I am going to see through the art and I'm going to trace it over. And today we're going to use watercolors. I love using watercolors lately. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Tambi watercolors. And I'm going to apply white all over my lamp. However, I didn't expect it to be like that. So I've added a little bit of yellow around it to make it more visible into my page. But it didn't turn out to be so visible. So what I did is I made outlines, and I couldn't record the outlines, but it was with the black Tambi. And I think that right now it looks good. I think it's the easy version of drawing or watercoloring a lamp. And right now I'm doing the cross, so I wanted to make it wood-like cross. And you can see the brush that I'm using is helping me to do the lines on the cross. And right now I'm using micron pen to just make the crown and to write down the verse with the black one, and with the gold one I'm writing Lamb of God. Right now I wanted to make a little bit of a background, so I'm using the metallic watercolor from the Tambi again, and you can see how bright it is. I like it a lot. And this is the silver metallic color. And I'm using the gold to make some spots there with the brush. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can leave it a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you want to support my channel, you can subscribe. And always and every week I will just give free printable. Don't forget to download your free printable today, and don't forget to check out the complete printable into my Etsy store. Thank you for watching. Bye.